No, I'm not Afshan Yasmin, I'm Afshan Jasmine. Afshan Yasmin is a old fashioned and what rubbish Yasmin. You can call me Miss Jasmine. Jasmine means flower and Yasmin means also flower. Yeah. I know. I'm Urdu teacher. Yeah, I know very well. And Urdu adab is divided into two groups. You know very well about it. Yeah. Urdu adab is divided into two groups. First, Urdu Nazm, Nazm. And the another one is Urdu Nasr, Nasr. Yes, my cutie pie. Yes, I saw you tell me about the meaning of ghazal. Not ghazal. Ghazal is a very, very old fashioned. Ghazal. What's a rubbish ghazal? Ghazal. It's a sounds good. Yeah. What's the meaning of Urdu ghazal? What? औरतों से बातचीत करना? No. Urdu ghazal means to talk with the women's. To talk with the women's. Why you are laughing? Why you are laughing, Ayan? Yes, Munib, why you are laughing? Every time whenever I use the word of women, you laugh. Women could be your mother. Women could be your sister. Women could be your wife. Not necessarily your girlfriend, okay? Be careful next time. Yeah. I'm a very strict teacher, Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Can anyone tell me about the Mir Taqi Mir? You? No, not Mir Taqi Mir. Yeah, I know. In Urdu, we can call the Mir Taqi Mir, but it's an old fashioned Mir Taqi Mir Urdu medium, like Mir Taqi Mir. Anyone can tell me? Beta, Mir Taqi Mir is a very, very good poet of the subcontinent, Very good poet. When he was 5 years old, Mir Taqi Mir, when he was 5 years old, his parents gone. And his stepbrothers, very good. They beated him. Yeah. And once upon a time, Mir Taqi Mir said, and I quote, सरहाने मीर के आहिस्ता बोलो, अभी तक रोते रोते सो गए. Don't talk at the side of bed of the Mir Taqi Mir. Don't talk. You just sleep. Mir Taqi Mir said. Okay? And Mir Taqi Mir said, and I quote, उल्टी हो गई सब तदबीरें, कुछ न दवा ने काम किया. He said, all the remedies failed because ishq is a disease of heart, and this disease of heart killed him. Yeah. Yes, and once upon a time Mir Taqi Mir said, मीर साहब ज़माना नाजुक है. मीर साहब ज़माना नाजुक है, दोनों हाथों से थामिए दस्तार. So I can explain. Yeah. I'm here. Don't worry. I'm here. I'm explaining. Yeah. No, don't worry about it. No, I'm here. Mir Taqi Mir said, Mir Sahab zamana nazuk hai. It's a very, very crucial time, Mir Taqi Mir said. Yeah, it's a very crucial time, Mir Taqi Mir said. And you use the both palm to hold your cap tightly, very tightly. Yeah. Okay, class, time is over. Next time we will meet again. Okay, Allah Hafiz.